When it comes to upgrading your home, few projects offer as much return on investment as new windows. For Redmond homeowners, the right windows not only improve comfort but also enhance curb appeal, energy efficiency, and property value. Among the many styles available, double-hung windows stand out as a versatile and enduring choice. With their classic design and modern features, these windows provide long-term benefits that make them a smart investment for homes in Redmond's ever-changing climate. Timeless design with modern appeal, double-hung windows are known for their two operable sashes. Both the top and bottom sections can be opened. This design has been a staple for generations because it blends functionality with style. Fits any architecture. Whether your Redmond home is traditional, craftsman, or contemporary, double-hung windows complement its look. Curb appeal boost. The clean lines and customizable finishes allow you to enhance your home's exterior. Interior design flexibility. Double-hung windows look elegant from the inside as well, offering balance and symmetry to any room. This timeless style ensures your windows won't go out of fashion, protecting your home's long-term appeal. Improved ventilation and airflow. Redmond's mild summers and cool, damp winters make proper ventilation a priority. Double-hung windows allow you to control airflow with ease. Top sash for cool air exit. Open the upper sash to let warm, stale air escape. Bottom sash for fresh air entry. Bring in fresh breezes from the lower sash. Balanced ventilation. Open both sashes slightly for continuous air circulation. This flexibility creates a healthier indoor environment while reducing reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Energy efficiency that saves money. Today's double-hung windows are engineered with energy efficiency in mind, a crucial factor in the Pacific Northwest climate. Double or triple pane glass adds insulation to reduce heat transfer. Low E coatings reflect UV rays, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Tight seals prevent drafts and moisture intrusion, keeping heating and cooling costs under control. By lowering energy consumption, these windows pay for themselves over time with monthly savings on utility bills. Easy maintenance and longevity. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their low-maintenance design. Tilt-in sashes make cleaning both the interior and exterior glass simple, even on upper floors. Durable materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood options are built to withstand Redmond's rainy climate. Minimal upkeep. With proper care, double-hung windows can last decades without losing performance. This ease of maintenance adds to their long-term value, reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Increased home value. When it comes time to sell, new windows are one of the first features buyers notice. Energy efficiency. Prospective buyers are drawn to homes with lower utility costs. Curb appeal. Fresh, attractive windows can make your property stand out in competitive Redmond neighborhoods. ROI. According to remodeling studies, window replacement consistently ranks among the top projects for return on investment. Installing double-hung windows is not just a functional upgrade, it's a financial one as well. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Investing in double-hung windows offers lasting benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From their timeless design and superior ventilation to energy savings and added home value, these windows are a practical and stylish choice. With proper installation and care, double-hung windows can serve your home for decades, making them one of the smartest upgrades you can make. If you're ready to boost comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal in your Redmond home, consider double-hung windows as a long-term investment that truly pays off.